Well, it was another beautiful day yesterday. We were sitting outside the station here around noontime yesterday, eating lunch and enjoying the Blue Angels moving through the sky over our heads. As usual with the Blues, you look up and where you see the sound, they're long gone from there by that time. We caught a few views of them, actually. We were watching them on the Seattle Tower Cam yesterday afternoon, working in the Weather Center, and occasionally we could see the plumes of smoke going. It's pretty exciting to watch them go by. And blue sky, which was pretty nice. Had 84 degrees out at SeaTac yesterday. Pretty warm afternoon. And you can see looking out there from our Everett Tower Cam, we've got clear skies this morning. See a few distant clouds out there, but that's about all we're dealing with. And looking pretty nice there, looking out towards Mount Pilchuck at Granite Falls High School. Checking the views actually up and down the sound. We've got clear skies. There's a little bit of patchy cloudiness over parts of southwestern Washington and out towards the coast, but that's about all we're dealing with this morning. And Tacoma looking very quiet as well, and just barely start to make out the Cascades out there. Temperatures a little warmer this morning, mostly mid to upper 50s around the area. The places that have been down in the 40s recently actually up into the 50s this morning. So the continual warm days starting to have their effect. Take a look at the satellite image. We do have a fly in the ointment as it is. We've got some moisture that's been kind of circulating up out of a low to the south of us, bringing this moisture up. We've been expecting it to move into eastern Washington and the Cascades and give us some chances, some thunderstorms there. You might see a few in the South Cascades today, but mostly action in the mountains is going to be over the weekend and in eastern Washington for that matter. But it does look like now with this low kind of moves through here that we might get enough easterly wind at the higher levels to maybe drift some of that shower action off towards the Cascade foothills, and maybe even the chance of maybe getting some out into Puget Sound, especially as we head towards late Saturday and into Sundays. But I think for Seafair, we probably are going to be okay. It would just be misfortune to actually have one end up over the hydro track there out on Lake Washington. Taking a look in terms of the smoke, higher level smoke, we do have a little bit of high level smoke down in the southern portion of western Washington from some of the fires down there. It's smaller but smoky fires there. But then as we go through, you can see as we get into Sunday, we see a little bit more of that kind of creeping towards us, it looks like, during the day. But again, this is high level smoke. If we take a look at it at the surface where we're all breathing, you can see we have that little bit of smoke on today into tonight, and then as we head towards Saturday, you can see that pretty much starts to be pushed away. It doesn't really make its way past the Cascades very far, but definitely flirting more with the smoke than we have in recent weeks. Take a look at that forecast then. Overall for today, we're going to be looking for mostly sunny skies, pretty much a repeat of yesterday, upper 70s, low to mid 80s, maybe a few showers in the South Cascades. Saturday and Sunday, partly sunny, chance of a few afternoon showers tomorrow, very slight chance, a little bit better chance of seeing a few showers on Sunday, but still slight. Temperatures cooling a bit, dropping back to the upper 70s and low 80s by Sunday. Partly sunny Monday, a chance of a couple showers mixed with sunshine and cool Tuesday and Wednesday, cool being mid 70s, and then back up to around 80 degrees on Thursday. It looks like we'll be in the low to mid 80s as we head towards the following weekend, and some indications we might be pushing on towards that 90-degree mark as we head towards the first part of the following week, but we'll be keeping close watch on that.
All right, Rich, thank you. A wildfire burning near Lake